The hatred pouring out of somebody's mouth, the jealousy, the envy. You know how we always say the longer they talk, the more they tell on themselves? Baby, somebody here, this is something, I mean, they're so insecure, they don't know what to do. They just, I mean, listen, it's bad, real bad. This is either happening in front of you or behind your back. Um, and you may have to check somebody, okay? Distant future. Somebody may need to release this under this and clips this out. Because somebody is, like, sadly mistaken. If they think that they're going to sit around and treat you like this or do you any kind of way. Alright, y'all. Let's get a prayer. Y'all will see these messages the next day after the eclipse, okay? I got them on premiere. But yeah. I feel like you're somebody's karma. Or somebody's wake-up call. Okay, I don't know. If somebody walks around and this is how they treat their spouses or their friends or their family or whatever. I just kind of feel like you are somebody's karma in a situation. And you're here to teach somebody a lesson about how they, because you could be matching energies with somebody right now. Okay, say somebody's in that King of Swords energy, well, you're in that Queen of Swords energy. Somebody don't know what to do with that because they snap at you and you snap back, and they like, whoa, hold on, they didn't meet their match. Okay, that could be very significant. Or somebody snaps back and you shut them down, and you hold that boundary and you don't respond. What I say, not responding to the dumb shit. Okay, get that. Yeah, that too. So you just pick which one. Are you snapping back or you just not responding? And this is, either way, this is making somebody really, really upset. Okay, let's get a prayer. Beloved ancestral spirit guides to the Most High God, I call on Archangel Michael for protection. Anybody sending anything physically, mentally, emotionally, or spiritually, please block and blind them. I call back our energy and send those back with full forgiveness in all forms to the universe at this time. Thank you, thank you, thank you to the Most High God. Your obedience and your discipline pisses this individual off. Because some of y'all have had to learn harder lessons than this person's ever seen in their life. And you don't play around when it comes to being obedient or disciplined, or like your schedule or maybe your business or something here, and somebody thinks it's a game. So, you quick to handle business. Tell me about this energy spirit. This somebody trying to restrict you from traveling. They don't want you to move. Confirmation, chill. Is I can't make it up. And somebody's finna be sadly mistaken because you finna travel regardless. Okay? Oh. Y'all, these bugs or something serious. Y'all see that on my damn damn hair wrap? Listen now. Somebody is a little boy and they have this Jezebel spirit on them, and if they trying to make your foundation stay in reverse, you're over here self-love, high priestess. You could be looking at somebody and saying, how are you going to stop me from traveling whenever I'm the one paying? How are you going to keep my foundation and my house in reverse whenever I'm paying? Okay. Y'all, this is a kind of energy where it's like, I will go and I'll, like, how can I say this? As long as it hurts you, I'll hurt myself. I will rip your household apart and make you lose it, even if I gotta go homeless. But see, really, y'all, somebody is not gonna have to go homeless. Okay, y'all pay attention, class in session, because somebody already has a plan. Okay, and it's like, so what are you doing over? They trying to make your foundation flip, and this table's been flipped on them because you could have caught somebody out on this. Okay, yeah, y'all, somebody's just pure evil. That's what this is. Envious, jealousy will make somebody snap and lose their own shit. They ain't got no faith. Something about this distant future, huh? Because somebody don't want you to move toward the distant future. Yeah, jealousy and envious. They refuse to ascend. Y'all, this could be your twin. Yeah, it's like, listen, you gotta get yourself together, okay? This ain't no divine masculine. Yeah. I heard this is just a pussy that don't want to go to prison. Okay. This is a little boy that don't want to go to jail. He don't want to face his. I don't know what's going on. Okay, something about this. Yeah, you're over here. You trusting whatever your intuition is telling you, and somebody's pissed off about these gifts that you got. Let me tell you something. Because it's ruining their whole little scheme. I heard their whole little get rich scheme, playing the victim, doing something, because somebody don't care about how they do this, but somebody don't understand that how you'll show your ass in front of people too, and put their ass right in their place, and somebody don't know this. Destruction, sending the evil out. Somebody ain't no earth angel. Let me tell you something about that spiritual beings. Please don't come in with bullshit, okay? Because just because we come in peace don't mean we ain't ready for war. And if you try to come and you try to embarrass us in front of people, only thing we're going to do is speak our truth. Then you going to be sitting there looking like an idiot because of what you thought that you was doing, right? Somebody here planting some bad seeds. You could have cleared some things up unknowingly whenever you spoke your truth about your past. Nine of Pentacles. You've been in the Nine of Pentacles since somebody met you. What's going on here? Somebody has literally said, oh no, I take care of everything. I do this, da, da, da. And you're like, what? Why are you lying to these people? Because they rush in and get what they need from you, and then they claim that it's theirs. And they thought this whole time they was avoiding a tower, but really now they ass is under judgment. And now they sitting out in the cold, and now they don't know what to do. But this is literally your justice. What did I say about that Queen of Swords? You got in that Queen of Swords on somebody, and somebody's magic trick backfired. Y'all listening? I heard, sir, ma'am, you had one job. And you couldn't even do that. Don't come to me talking about anything. You had one job, and you couldn't even go do that. I don't want to hear it. Some of y'all, and like I said, some of y'all, this could be your kids, and you're showing tough love. Like, no. You ain't going to trick me. What are you talking about? I heard keep your enemy close. Some of y'all, it could be grown children or stepchildren or something here. Knight of Pentacles. Somebody is clocking your pockets and watching your money. Okay, that's going to be just for a small few of y'all. This is a very unhealed individual, and they will literally use the past against you. And you're enlightened about this, okay? Somebody feels like you owe them. They feel entitled. And you may have to check somebody here. Okay, y'all, it's humid as hell out here, by the way. Very interesting. Yeah, Empress. You're enlightened about this. You ain't fighting with somebody. You could have cut off a whole family of people because this is how they feel. And you're like, y'all ain't entitled to shit. What are you talking about? I had to get over here. I was in the gym shooting. I was in the kitchen cooking, right? This is your recipe. And somebody went in there and they're envious and they're angry and they're mad and they're this and they're that. And it's like, what is wrong? What? All you got to do is get in that same kitchen and come up with your recipe, and you got this, right? Do y'all know? Listen, it's so amazing. We have content creators over here on YouTube. That's how they make a living. It's just simply cooking for their family. And somebody could be mad at one of our cooks on YouTube. Well, let me tell y'all something, ladies and gentlemen. Keep making the content. Keep posting the content. Because whoever's over there, I promise you, they trying to take your recipe and make it theirs. And some of y'all finding out that your copycat can't take and do your same recipe. Okay, babies? I'm just saying. Y'all be on some weird type of time. Folks be coming up with their own authentic stuff. Okay? And y'all don't know what to do. Y'all, listen. Go outside, ground yourself, take your book. Go out there, sit down. Write stuff down, okay? You can come up with your own ideas. Tell me about this. If somebody's jealous and envious because you can do this and you're coming up with different things to do. Yeah. You've definitely defeated somebody here. You're not reconciling. King of Pentacles. You are moving forward with some kind of business endeavor that you're working on or whatever you're doing here. And somebody's just going to sit here and pout and cry and worry themselves to death. All this worrying and this pouting and this crying that you're doing, you could already done build something. What's going on here, right? Petty. Just petty. Something just don't, it don't make no sense. There is a water sign and an earth sign that's working together to take down the air sign. Something is going on. I don't know, air signs, y'all listen. You can have air highly aspected in your chart, or somebody is an air sign and this person is just a hater. You could be an air sign and somebody hates you. I don't know, listen. I'm just a messenger, okay? I was told that today. A lot of people don't like my delivery, but listen, I'm just a messenger. Plug the story in where it goes, okay? If I'm talking about the other party, then that's it, right? If it's you, sometimes you got to sit down and take accountability. But if it's not, it's fine, right? I'm the messenger, though. And somebody don't like that, you're the messenger. Somebody hates your gifts. Too much was done by this ex-lover family member to cover it up. The streets are talking. I'm saying. Arranged marriage done by a family occult. And now somebody probably pissed off about somebody they married because this was an arranged marriage here. And now here they are 15, 20 years waking up saying, okay, I don't want to do this. I don't want to be married no more. And it's too late. Now you have to. Yeah, I'm definitely going to find somewhere else to record because it's hot. It's too hot. So the background's going to be a little different. Okay? Y'all just stay with me. But you're going to get your messages by 6 a.m., okay? See, you've been an alchemist for many years ago. You know, you are a master at transmuting energy. And somebody here keeps coming back to see if whatever they keep throwing is sticking and it's not. It's like, no, your words do not hurt me. And somebody wants their words to hurt you and make you feel painful, but they don't know. They're about to get their ass cut off. Or they already got cut off for this, okay? Tell me about this energy, spirit. Many offers coming in. What I tell y'all about them grandparents playing both sides in the court situation? Yeah. And now somebody's finding out the whole truth. Uh-huh. Yeah. Trying to sneak away from the occult. Because this grandparents is a part of the occult. They are the occult. Pay attention, class in session. Okay? Divine Feminine, they have beef all over town. I bet you they do. Yeah. They had a lot of people on that payroll is what Spirit's saying. And now, yeah. There could be some people upset because they ain't getting paid and they're like, hold up, what's going on here? I done A, B, C, or D. They're like, oh yeah, that ain't coming through. I don't know what to tell you. Yeah. A lot of people know the truth. Alright, y'all. That's what I got for you. I'm going to send y'all some love, light, and healing. Peace.